We've already compared the Zenfone 5Z and OnePlus 6 in terms of speed and performance in our speed test. But how do they stack up when it comes to the facial unlock and fingerprint scanning accuracy and speed? This is Sandeep from RevAtlas. Let's take a closer look. Both the Zenfone 5Z and OnePlus 6 feature fingerprint scanners at the back. The 5Z has a circular scanner while the OnePlus 6 has a sort of rectangular scanner with rounded corners. This is a shift from the circular scanner on the 5T, but is still a ceramic one. Both allow up to 5 different fingerprints to be added, but the OnePlus 6 doesn't allow you to re-add the same fingerprint and gives you a warning saying it's already in the database. 5Z on the other hand allows you to add the same if needed, but it actually highlights the fingerprint corresponding to the ones you've saved in case you forgot so that you don't add it again. We tried adding the same fingerprint again to see if it improved accuracy on the 5Z, but it really doesn't make a difference. The 5Z also allows you to answer incoming calls with the fingerprint scanner, but the OnePlus 6 just allows unlocking with the fingerprint scanner. In terms of accuracy, both are pretty great and we've gotten almost a 100% success rate on both. The speed is however noticeably faster on the OnePlus 6. The brand has had one of the fastest scanners on the market for a while now with the ceramic scanners, and this one is no different. While it may not make a difference in day-to-day life, the difference is still tangible. Coming to the facial scanning of Face ID, both phones rely on the front-facing cameras to unlock. No IR scanning or any other fancy tech here, but to help make it more secure or faster. But they are pretty secure and doesn't work if your eyes are closed. One eye open and it'll still work. They're both very simple to register your faces too. All you need to do is sit in a decently lit environment, align your face in the cutout and it's registered. Here too again, OnePlus is faster to unlock and also more accurate. You don't even see the lock screen in most of the cases. On the 5Z however, you do see the lock screen and then it unlocks. The 5Z allows you to unlock the device directly after waking it or else just reveal the notifications when it detects your face. You can toggle the auto unlock for the OnePlus 6 as well, but it also has the ability to compensate for dark environments by bumping up the screen brightness automatically so that your face is visible. So overall the OnePlus 6 does win here in terms of accuracy as well as unlock speeds, but the 5Z is just a newly released device, so there could be some improvements and enhancements along the way, but we still feel that OnePlus might have the edge here. We'll include purchase links in the description below. Thanks for watching, see you again in the next one.